Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to boost your Spotify volume. If you want to make it louder, here's how to do it. Open your Spotify app, go to your profile at the top left corner, click on settings and privacy. Now select playback. Scroll down at the bottom, you're going to see where it says volume controls. Now you have to turn off volume normalization. This sets all the audio tracks on Spotify to the same volume, which can make it sound less. By default, there are some music that are loud and there are also some music that are low in volume. But these settings actually make all the tracks, all the music volume sound the same. So if you want to boost your audio volume on Spotify, you have to turn this off. So that's how you increase or boost your audio volume on Spotify. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.